You see the stocking cap. You already know what time it is. So today we'll be installing this wig that I originally bought from Temu. Paid $100 and some for it, thinking that it was human, until I got it. I wore it, did the burn test, and it's synthetic. Tried to get my money back, but conveniently they're out of business. Couldn't get a refund. So since I paid for it, might as well install it. So whenever you get ready to do your install, start by cleaning your forehead with some alcohol. And this other products I'm going to be using to melt it down. This is the glue that I'll be using. This is the edge control. And of course, I'll have my handy dandy blow dryer. And I have my edge brush. The first step I will be doing is cleaning my forehead, which I already did that. So my next step is to apply the glue. So when I come back, I will already have applied my glue. So stay tuned. Y'all make sure whenever you're putting on your glue that you even your layers out so it can dry evenly in a flat layer. So this is, everybody know how to apply glue. This is repetitive, and I will be back when the glue is dried. Well, not dried, until it's tacky, like sticky, so that way your wig can adhere to it and stick to it. If you're unsure if your glue dry or not, then just stick your finger to it. But be careful, because you do have a lot of oils in your skin, and it can make the glue not stick. Since the glue is cleared, we are going to apply this wig. And like I said in my other videos, I am not by any means a professional. Trial and error. If I can learn, you can too. So if you see me looking over here, then this is my mirror. So this is what we're doing. Make sure that you lay your lace down exactly where you want it at, because if you don't and you try to get it back up, it's gonna be problems. So I'm gonna try to get this correct the first time. Knowing me, child. Let's see, this way I want it. What I tell you about my other videos, that lace will roll up on you. Make sure that it's not like mine. There you go. Wanna do what it wanna do. See what I'm saying? Trial and error, you guys. And still trying to do what it wanna do. Clip this hair back. Make sure that you got it laying exactly where you want it to lay at. Guess I'll take an animal rat tail comb. Make sure that it's laying down where you want it to be laid at. And of course, you're not gonna get it laid down the very first time all around. So, of course, you know I'll be applying my milk spray. Trying to get these baby hairs right. But anyway, my milk spray. So, when I lay this milk spray down, I will be going in with my blow dryer. And I know you guys don't want to hear that. So, whenever I finish putting in my lace milk spray, I will be blowing drying it down with my blow dryer. And then I'll be back. So now that that is secured down, we'll be working on these baby hairs. Let's see, I'll use this one. That one flimsy. Alright. Get us a little bit of baby hairs going right there. I'm definitely not a professional, especially when it comes to baby hair. The struggle is real. And this lace still don't want to lay down like it's supposed to. Okay, now, yep, I'm just dropping everything. It's okay, I'll get it later. Okay, now that we have our baby hairs separated out, yeah. So now that we have them out, we will be cutting them down. Cause I can't do them big long baby hairs. Them baby oceans. Baby ocean waves. Ain't do that. Okay. Now for this side. Alright. Make sure that you don't cut too much off, because once it's gone, it's gone. You can always cut more off if you don't cut enough at first. So this is the edge control. Ooh. Let's see. See what we can make these edges look like. I think we're gonna make them adult swoops. Y'all, I do not know what I'm doing, so please bear with me. Please bear with me, y'all. It's not acting right. Okay. Trust the process. Trust the process. Like I said, I learned how to do this on my own. No one taught me. No one taught me. And I feel like I did it. I learned it on my own. And me, if I can do it, I feel like anybody can. You just gotta want it for yourself. Just go out there and try it. Like, just get some old cheap wigs and just try it. And in no time, I bet you won't be going to the salon, spending all them hundreds of dollars. I bet you that. You can do it yourself. I'm even willing to take time out and help people to learn how to do it. I'm even looking for people to collaborate with me. And I'm also looking for people that would allow me to do their hair and film it. Yeah, I'm struggling with these baby hairs over here. Trust the process. You gotta believe in yourself. And I feel like if you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. Even when you think you can't, you can do it. And you can't trust people's word especially when they putting you down. You gotta believe in yourself and uplift yourself. You know, these baby hairs is kicking my behind. What y'all think so far? So, now that I already did my baby hairs, I am going to spray. Because look at that. It don't want to lay down, you guys. So I'm going to spray and then tie it down. Okay. And so, did I? Okay, well, here we go. I will be using this melt spray to spray it down and to tie it down with this belt. And when I come back, it should be dried down for the ending results. Finished them baby hairs. Let's see. Styling process now. So what you guys think so far? I would have loved if this wig was human, cause it's nice, like nicely constructed. You know, it was supposed to be 30 inches, and it was 13 by 6. I'm not gonna give a link or anything like that because I told you they went out of business. But if they didn't, I still wouldn't have, because I'm not promoting them. But if anybody else would like for me to promote their products, I would. So this is the final product. Of this wig. Look at them baby hairs, boy. I did that. What lace? Well, you can't tell me this is not my hair. Well, it's growing out of my scalp. This is my hair. But anyway, if you want to follow me, you can go on any of my pages, and the links to all my other pages are on there. Please subscribe to my channel. It don't even cost a penny. You know what I'm saying? It don't hurt nothing. It would help me though, help my channel grow, and I can keep on giving y'all these wig installs, and you know what I'm saying, interact with my video, like my video, share it, and again, please subscribe to my channel. It don't cost a dime. Until next time, your girl, see you later.